So there's a nest up there, and there's these little babies on the ground. Oh my gosh. What are you guys doing down there?
Is that a swallow?
There's Mama.
Dad, Dad, stay that.
Hi, babies. Oh, you hungry?
I'm putting this flower there.
Oh, he's hungry. The nest is like halfway in that little...
Can I go up and see?
What the heck?
One at a time?
I don't know.
And if they go back up, are they just gonna fall out again?
Probably.
Oh, hey, little guys. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, little babies.
Hey, look at
Oh
them.
my gosh.
Oh, so tiny.
They're so cute. Look at the wing feathers.
Oh, that guy's eating a piece of grass.
Yeah. No wonder they fell out. They're squirming with their little legs.
Are they?
I'm holding it.
The mama's swarming.
Here you go.
Here comes the mama.
It's
Mama, your babies are home.
babies.
They're out on the edge
Don't be
already.
dumb.
Get back in there. Excuse me. Where do you think you're going?